Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. This time we are going to have a look into most wanted gaming keyboard in 2020 and the keyboard you can find on the desk of many pro gamers. We are going to check SteelSeries Apex Pro mechanical keyboard. It was most of the time out of stock in 2020 and I had to wait several weeks for it as well. So let's check what's inside the box. The keyboard has OmniPoint adjustable mechanical switches for customizable per key sensitivity. In other words, the distance that the keys need to travel before registering as a key press. It uses analog Hall effect magnetic sensor on 104 keys. The rest of the keys are Cherry MX Red. It has an N key rollover on 104 keys, 100% anti-ghosting. Dynamic per key RGB illumination. It has 8 times faster response, 3 times faster actuation and 2 times more durability than Cherry MX switches, which most of the keyboards is using. It has Series 5000 aircraft grade aluminum frame and detachable soft magnetic wrist rest. If you expected I would say detachable cable, I have to disappoint you unfortunately. For the cable, it has a 3-way cable routing which can prevent your cable from stretching, pulling and getting in the way. The frame has built-in channels that allows you to choose from one of 3 possible places for your cable to exit, keeping your desk tidy. It has a dynamic per key RGB illumination with millions of colors options and reactive typing effects that can make you the designer of your ultimate setup. It also has a clickable metal roller and the media key allows you to adjust volume and settings on the fly. It allows you to change the brightness, rewind, skip, pause and more, all at the touch of the button. It also has OLED Smart Display, which you can actually customize, and I've seen there is a package available to display your SteelSeries wireless headset battery status, which is really useful. And now finally let's have a look into the keyboard itself. As you can see, it's nicely packed, but I would still expect more fabric than just really cheap plastic, but it's just my personal experience. Let me know down in the comments how do you like the packaging of the keyboard. So as you can see, there is a fabric cover which is very nice and protective from the dust. Wow, so the keyboard is really nice, I like it. Let's check the keycaps compatibility. This is obviously Cherry MX Red on everything above 108 keys, so basically everything on the right side from the enter is Cherry MX Red. Everything on the left side and middle is obviously the OmniPoint switches, and the keycap fits just perfect. Let me just try it, and here we go. Yep, it fits perfectly. This is the sound of the keyboard, I like it. This is how you can manage your cable, so you can have the exit on the left side, middle side and right side. And these are the stands. As you can see, the cable is really thick. This is probably the thickest cable I have ever seen. That's the cost of having pass-through. So let's unplug my USB-C fabric covered cable. Let me just unplug it from the keyboard. How convenient it is. And here it is, the new SteelSeries Apex Pro. Now I will need to connect these two USB cables into my KVM switch. I need KVM switch for work from home to switch between my work computer and my personal desktop. So the lightning works perfectly. Let me now enjoy the moment of uncovering the OLED display. It's unique. And this is my full setup. Looks like I will need to do some cable management. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more how did I resolve it.